So I'm sitting here, I'm in traffic. We got a snowstorm there today, and it's either everybody still has their all-season tires on or their summer tires, or there's an accident, one of the two, because there's traffic both ways lined up on 4 different roads. Tried to take a detour to go around it, and it just wasn't possible. But I'm going to flip you around here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at. Now we got traffic all backed up on the left side, and that goes for about a mile. And then we have traffic backed up here going up to this set of lights, and then all the way behind me to about a mile to a set of lights. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but there's definitely something going on. That guy that was walking up the street, he's like taking the easy way home, and he's like, I'm walking down the plowed road. No cars were moving, so he's like, heck it. Alright, I'm gonna hopefully get moving up this side street there before too long, and I'm gonna try and go up where this plow was going. Everybody seems to be stuck in the road. So yeah, we finally got out of all the traffic jams downtown in the snow, and we're on the highway heading home. Highway's not plowed in the left lane, but the right lane is still sort of bare. There's some tracks, but it's all ice covered. We're driving on ice right now, and just about to pull back off in Dieppe. Quite windy, mix of snow and ice pellets coming down. Surprised the highway's not all backed up. It's like there isn't a car for miles. All kinds of blowing snow. hard snow to plow. As you can see, all the bumps are back there. the snow gets real packy and it comes ice real quick, and the blade of the plow just jumps over the snow. It'll dig, it won't dig, it'll dig, it won't dig. I was watching a guy plow a parking lot earlier, and he seemed like he was beating his truck up quite a bit trying to plow the parking lot. It just wasn't plowing too easy.